Welcome to the tutorial for using Yelm Community Schools' online student registration system for no students. Our hope is this guide will assist you in completing the process. Before you begin, make sure you have scanned the following documents and have them ready for electronic upload: a birth certificate, immunization record, and proof of residency, something like a utility bill or a lease agreement. Each step of the process must be completed before moving to the next. You can save your progress at any time. Okay, let's begin. To access the website where the online registration link is, go to the Yelm Community Schools website and click on the Family Resources tab. On the next screen, look for the new student registration link in the directory under the letter N. On the next screen, look to the left-hand margin and select either New Student or Kindergarten under the heading Want to Enroll. This will take you to a screen where you will be able to click on the New Student Enrollment Account Request link. On the Account Request page, fill in all the fields, including full legal name, primary phone number, and email address. Click on the orange Submit button at the bottom once all information is entered. Step 1, Student Information. On the Student Information page, all fields with a red asterisk are required. If your student has an IEP or 504 plan, please indicate that information in the Additional Information field at the bottom of the page. When you have completed the required fields, click on Complete Step 1 and move to Step 2, Family Guardian Information, at the bottom of the screen. If you need to stop here and then come back at a later time, click on the Complete Step 1 only. This option is available for each step of the application. Step 2, Guardian Information. All the fields on this page with a red asterisk are required. After completing this form, you can choose whether or not to add another guardian who lives at this address by clicking on the appropriate orange button at the bottom of the page. By clicking on either button, you will be brought to a new screen. On this screen, you can enter information for a new guardian at the same address. Just type in their information here. A different address, click on the orange button that states, yes, I want to add a legal guardian who lives at a different address at the bottom of the page. Or you can complete this form and move to the next with the orange button that states, no, complete Step 2 and move to Step 3, Medical Dental Information. Step 3, Medical Dental Information. The medical dental information form is optional and based on student need. When complete, click on the Complete Step 3 and move to Step 4, Emergency Contact Information. Step 4, Emergency Contact Information. On this form, you have the opportunity to add up to 2 emergency contacts for your student. Additional emergency contacts can be added through your student's school. To add an emergency contact, click Yes, I want to add another emergency contact record. Emergency contact information is not required for submission of the application. You can click on No, complete Step 4 and move to Step 5, Immunization Information, if you want to move on. If you selected Yes to enter a new emergency contact, on the next screen, you will be asked to enter that information. If you want to add another contact, click on the Yes, I want to add another emergency contact record. If not, click on the No, complete Step 4, and move to Step 5, Immunization Information. Step 5, Immunization Information. This step allows you to enter dates for each immunization your child has received. Whether you fill in the individual fields or not, your student's immunization records must still be attached to this application in Step 6. If you have a complete immunization record to upload, You do not need to enter that information in the individual fields. When you have entered the desired information, click on the orange Complete Step 5 and move to Step 6, Requested Documents button. Step 6, Requested Documents. Student registrations require a birth certificate, immunization record, and proof of residency in order to be processed. Attach each document by clicking on the Choose File button next to the category of the file that you want to upload. A report card isn't required. To move to the final form, click on the orange Complete Step 6 and move to Step 7, Additional District Forms button. Step 7, Additional District Forms. There are 5 additional forms that must be completed on this page. Open each form by clicking on the orange buttons. Upon completion of these forms, click on the orange Complete Step 7 button. Once you have completed all of the required steps, you are ready to submit the application. You do this by clicking on the orange Submit Application to the District button, which is located below the Complete Step 7 button. If, after viewing this tutorial, you still have questions, reach out to the registrar of the school your student will attend. Included on this final slide are the contact numbers for those registrars. Each school will have several other forms and documents that are unique to that site, so make sure you connect with the school office. Online registration will close on June 26, 2020, and reopen on August 3rd, 2020 for the new school year. Thank you.